Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing our DIY wall paneling with picture frame molding. I held off a bit in making this video because I wanted you guys to see it with the new flooring. We are still in the middle of some renovation projects, but I am so excited to finally share this DIY accent wall with you guys. So let's get right into it. The wall we are working on is textured, so we had to use these wall panels to cover that up. But even if you have smooth walls, I still recommend doing so because it really adds to the wall paneling look that we are trying to achieve. Once all of the panels were cut to size, we glued and nailed them onto the wall. The wall panels are 4 by 8, so we had to play a little bit with the placement of them on the wall so that the boards would cover up the seams. I go into further detail on this on the blog, which I will link in the description below. I have also linked all of the tools and materials needed for this project in the description below. We used 1 by 8 boards for the top and bottom of our accent wall. As you can see, we placed this board a couple of inches from the ceiling so that once we have the crumb molding in, enough of the board will still show. We did the same for the baseboards below. The center board and all of the vertical boards are 1 by 6. Before installing the inner moldings, we used this piece of wood as a template to mark where we wanted the picture frame molding. We used a smaller trim for the picture frame molding. Once it was cut, we glued and nailed it on the lines that we had marked. Once all the board and moldings were installed, we sanded all the seams to make them as even and level as possible. Then we applied wood filler to all the nail holes and seams as well, and sanded that off. We decided to caulk all of the seams before painting. Spray painting is essential for a perfect smooth finish on your accent wall. We gave this wall 2 coats of primer with light sanding after those. After the first coat of paint, we lightly sanded again, and after the second coat of paint, we were finished. I would love to know what you guys think in the comments below. I actually might share a bit of our kitchen makeover once that is done, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time!